You ever wake up and just feel done? Like you're alive, but not really living. Every day feels like copy and paste. You're tired, you don't care, and nothing seems to matter anymore. If that's you, stay right here. Because today we're talking about the doomer's path to happiness. And trust me, it's not as dark as it sounds. In fact, it might be the most real path you'll ever take. Let's be honest, a lot of people are running on empty, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. You scroll through Instagram or TikTok, and everyone looks like they've got it all together, smiling, traveling, chasing goals. Then you look at yourself and think, why don't I feel like that? Be real for a second. Have you ever felt that way? If yes, drop a yes in the comments, because you're not the only one feeling that. Feeling hopeless doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're awake. You see things for what they are. And that awareness is actually the first step to real happiness. Section 1. Understanding the doomer. So what exactly is a doomer? It's not someone lazy or weak. It's usually someone who's seen too much. They've tried, they've failed, they've been disappointed more times than they can count. So they stop trying, they lose interest, they think nothing matters anymore. But here's the thing, that same mindset that sees the dark side is also capable of seeing truth more clearly than most people. When you stop lying to yourself, you stop chasing fake stuff, and that's when you start searching for what's real. Section 2. Finding joy in small things. Here's something most people get wrong. Happiness isn't some big moment that changes your life overnight. It's quiet. It's in the small things. Like a morning coffee that actually tastes good. A walk outside when the air feels fresh. A song that hits you in the chest, or a real conversation with someone who gets it. When you start noticing those small, ordinary moments, that's when the fog starts to lift. That's when happiness begins to grow again. Slowly, quietly, but for real. Hey, before we keep going, if you're finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps me make more content like this for people who need it. All right, let's get back to it. Section 3. Changing your path. So, how does a doomer actually find happiness? It starts with one word: acceptance. Not fake positivity, not pretending to be okay. Just saying, yeah, life's been rough, but I'm still here. And that alone is powerful. Then you take one small step. Clean your room. Go for a short walk. Read something new. Text someone you care about. It doesn't seem like much, but every small move is a spark. And those little sparks, they build momentum. They build hope. Have you ever done one small thing that actually made you feel better, even for a moment? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear from you. Section 4. Seeing life differently. Here's the truth. Happiness isn't a place you get to. It's a direction you walk in every single day, even when it hurts, even when nothing seems to change. Every time you choose to keep moving, you're already on that path. And for a doomer, that's real happiness. Not perfection, not fake smiles, just progress, one honest step at a time. So let's wrap this up. 1. Feeling hopeless doesn't mean you're done. It means you're human. 2. Little steps matter more than you think. 3. Happiness isn't loud. It grows quietly through consistency and effort. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to start. You're not too late, you're not too lost, and you're definitely not alone. If this video gave you something to think about, let me know in the comments. And remember, even when life feels heavy, there's always a light up ahead. You just have to keep walking toward it.